Hello and welcome. It's Jennifer Dillon, and today we're going to be discussing how to cross-list your Canvas course or combine your courses. This is really beneficial if you are teaching the same class to multiple groups of students and you do not want to have to copy your course over and over again into other courses or build items multiple times in multiple courses. This allows you to put all those students and all those materials and classes, like the assignments and the quizzes, all in one piece. That way you only have to do it once. You don't have to worry about, did you assign it to your second period or your third period? It'll all be done for you. The first thing that I'm going to suggest to you is that you make a copy of your course. That is so that no matter what, you have a backup in case something goes wrong. We all know that computers can do weird things. The internet can shut down in the middle of a process. So just like you would update your computer or your phone before you changed any of the software, go ahead and do that with your course as well. The second piece I'm also going to tell you about is making sure that they're unpublished. That way whatever is in your course will stay in your course. If it's published, it will not. And thirdly, I really like to do this at the beginning of the year before I put anything in, then I don't have to really worry about losing anything. If something goes wrong, you can contact your IT for your school and they will be able to unlink these, but you cannot do it by yourself. All right, let's get started. Right now you're going to see I have a test course 1, test course 2, and test course 3. Please make sure you name your courses something that's easy for you to type. They will have numbers identified, most likely if you're in a school district, but you can rename them so they're easy to find. The second piece you'll want to make sure is that you determine which one is your parent course. The parent course is going to go into the other two. The parent course will be the one that's left. So hypothetically, if I only had one course built out and the other two were blank, I would want to make sure that I was putting that the parent course is what's actually going into the other two. So we'll leave the parent course alone, and I will click on the test course 2. I will scroll down to settings. I will select sections, and then I'm going to click on test course 2. And then over on the right hand side, I'm going to say cross list this select section. Now I could either use the ID number if I know that, which if you look up in my URL bar, this is actually the course number for this course, so you could find it the other way. But I could also just start typing it in. So test course 1, that's what I'm putting in here. And I'm going to click select, and that's all I need to do here. Then I'm going to go back to my dashboard. If I did it correctly, test course 2 has disappeared. Really all it means is that test course 1 is now in test course 2. Or test course 2 is now in test course 1. So now I'm going to do it with my second course. Now you'll notice this one is empty. I go to settings, sections, click on test course 3 because that's what I'm looking at. Cross select, test, and I'm going to grab that test course 1 again. Cross list this section. And now when I go back to my dashboard, I should just have one course left. It's course 1. And all you have to do is just remember you need a parent course, and the parent course goes into all your other courses. So now I can publish this one, have access to it, and go crazy on adding content for my students for them to use throughout the whole rest of the year. Don't forget to publish, and have a great day.